Hey everybody, what's up today? It's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I got 2 packages that came in the mail, making my day and closing out the week. So I want to do this unboxing with you so I can share with you what I have received. A little bit of a splurge on fountain pen and ink buying, mostly accessories. You know, you've been seeing me unbox a lot of PET tape, etc., etc. But let's get into it. I discovered that I liked a few inks, so I have been a little bit, I've got inks to get rid of, and I've got inks to bring in as well. I am going to resume in September the giveaway of inks. I've got to put a halt on the month of August. Too much stuff going on, traveling, etc., etc. But I know that fall's coming up, and I decided to buy 2 inks from Ferris Wheel Press because I know there's going to be a run on these. I know it. And I already have experienced my love for one of them already that I've previously swatched out before. But I did decide to go ahead and get these 2 items, which is Autumn in Auburn and Oyster Hour. Oyster Hour, I'm going to swatch both of these again. I had only a sample of, and I'm almost done with my sample, so that is my test. If I absolutely like the sample, I'm willing to get the ink because I know that I will actually utilize said ink. That being said, when I do the August giveaway in September, I will probably include a sample for one lucky winner of this one and this one. So this is Autumn in Auburn. Oh, I like it. Look at that. This is boom. And I went to their website, and I'm going to tell you, if you like Autumn in Auburn, when I ordered it just a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, not even. This came really quick from Canada. They only had 6 left. So let it be known that it goes fast. But there, I have a nice little cozy for it. So it's just so lovely how they do the packaging. They get many design awards for their packaging. But there's that, and then I've got this nice little bulbulous bottle of fantastic color. So let me swatch these very quickly. And oops, I'm having a hand mishap here. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'll just put that to the side for now. And let me get my swatching pad out. This is going to be done on Tomoe River paper. And let me just get my nib unit out and my little pen, my automatic pen. So there we go. Got those 2. Let me grab some water back here so I can rinse those off. And let's get to swatching on these 2 colors really quick. Sorry, my phone is doing some interesting things there. Hold on just a second. Okay, first up, we're going to do Autumn in Auburn by Ferris Wheel Press. And I love these bottles and design. Let me see if I can get my automatic pen in here first. Not a problem. So that looks like this. Oh yeah, it definitely has all that fall color vibe. And a little bit went a long way. So let me just clean that one off. And if you notice that I'm putting my Kakamori nib in a different nib holder, that is correct, because get ready for the DC Pen Show, and I couldn't get that nib into any kind of case. So this is Ferris Wheel Press. Zoom in so you can see that. And this is Autumn in Auburn. Just such a really nice, warm, orangey kind of brown tone. So that is that color right there. And put that away. And I have to remember to put this into my inventory of inks. Let me just get these nib units out and clean those off. So there's Autumn and Auburn, and then next is Oyster Hour. Ruh-roh, I got a little bit of water on my paper. Hold on just a second here, just want to make sure that gets soaked up. And I love how they have a little rubber stopper on the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that so it absorbs into the paper and get it into my cap. There we go. Okay. And these bottles are filled quite sufficiently. This is a nice mushroomy kind of brown color. I used to not really particularly care for brown inks, but I find that as I've explored the gamut of inks, and maybe you guys have found this too, that I'm actually starting to really enjoy a wider range of colors, and my color palette has expanded quite a bit. Okay, so this is also Ferris Wheel Press. And this is Oyster Hour. And this is good because my swatch card of this ink, I didn't have a lot, so I would love to swatch this in a more fuller version. Let's do this really upright. See how skinny line I can get on this nib. Okay. All right, so those are the two inks that I bought getting ready for the fall. I'm looking forward to utilizing these colors, and I'm really glad now that I have a much bigger supply of the Oyster Hour. I do find these colors to be really, really indicative of fall, and I can't wait to write with them. And they look fantastic on like Midori cream color paper. Oh my goodness. So that makes me really, really happy. So that's those two things. That's the only thing I got from Ferris Wheel Press. Hey YouTube, sorry for the abrupt ending, but I decided to cut this video short, and you'll understand when you see the next episode for 192. Thanks for stopping by and watching my channel. I really do appreciate it, and stay tuned for more content. All right, until next time, take care. Bye.